students, today we have to start your practice set 2.3 question number 3. In previous video we had already solved the question number 1 and question number 2 from this practice set. Okay, so now we have to start your question number 3. So your question number 3 is that classify the given pairs of shirts into light shirts or unlight shirts. Okay, we have to classify the given shirts into light shirts or unlight shirts. So what is meant by light shirts? Listen here. When I have to write here 3 root 5 and 4 root 5. So we have to match this one. That means order and radical. Order and radical should be same. Should same. Should be same. So what is the order here? Order is 2 for both the conditions and radical is 5. That means in both conditions these are two same. So therefore these two shirts are like shirts. Otherwise they are unlike shirts. Clear? So we have to solve the questions based on this concept. Okay? What is like shirts and unlike shirts? So first question from your book, that is question number 1. Root 52 and 5 root 13. 5 root 13. So just observe these two, the root 52 and 5 root 13. So this one is the factorized. Okay, that means we have to find out the factors of this one. Okay, we cannot find out the factors of 13. So what are the factors of 13? Only 13 and 1 itself. Okay, so we cannot find out the factors of this one. So we have to find out the factors of 52 here. So when we have to consider here root 52, we have to find out the factors. How to calculate? 52, this is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Carry 1 2 6 are 12. Now next. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Now this 13 is divisible by 13 itself, so 13 1s are 13. So what are the factors of this one? That is in root 2 into 13. That means we have to write like this. What? 2 square into 13. Clear? Now separate the root sign. 2 square into 13 root 13. Now this square and this root sign get cancelled, so therefore 2 is there and root 13 is there. That means instead of 52 we have to write like 2 root 13. So just observe here what we have to get the new number, that is 2 root 13 and 5 root 13. So these are the two numbers, okay, or these are the two shirts. So it is a light shirt? Yes, definitely. So our first one, 2 root 13. What is the order? Order of shirt is equal to 2. And then radical of shirt is equal to what? 30. Similarly, we have to calculate for this one also. 5 root 30. Okay? That is order of shirt is equal to 2 and radical of shirt is equal to 30. That means in both the cases order and radicals are same. So we have to call it as these two shirts are like shirts. Therefore, in both shirts, radical and order of shirt are same. Therefore, we can call it as what? We have to write like, instead of this one, we have to write down 52. Root 52. Therefore, root 52 and 5 root 13 are the like cells. These are the like such. So in this way we have to solve the questions. Okay. If you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now we have to solve the next question. That is second number question. Okay. Second one, root 68, comma 5, root 3. Root 68, comma 5, root 3. So first of all, we have to factorize 68 here. Okay. So we have to write like this. Root 68 is factorized. So 68, this number is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2 7s are. Okay? Understand this one? 2 1s are 2 7s are. Now this 17 is divisible by 17 itself. 17 1s are 17. Okay? So now we have to write like this here. We have to get here 2 into 2 into 17. Okay? Now 2 raised to 2 into 17 is there. So separate the square root sign. Then what we have to get? 2 into or 2 root 17 is there. So just observe here what we have to do here. Instead of root 68, we have to put here 2 root 17. So for this one, 2 root 17 and 5 root 3. So 2 root 17. What is the order of the sum? Order is 2 and radical is 17. So for this one, 5 root 3 order is 2 and radical, that is 3. So just observe from this one, order is 2, radical is 17, order is 2, radical is 3. That means order are same but radicals are different. So therefore this one is a no. Okay, so what we have to write? What? Yes. In this, order of surds are same but radicals are different. Therefore, what we have to write? Root 68 and 5 root 3 are what? Unlike surds. Are unlike surds. Okay. So if you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now we have to solve the next question. Third one, that is 4 root 18, comma 7 root 2. 7 root 2. So first of all, factorize this one. This one is a factorization. So 4 root 18. So first of all, factorize this 18. So 18 is written as, this is divisible by 2. 2 9s are, then this 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So we have to write like this. 4 square root of 2 into 3 into 3. Okay? 4 2 into 3 raised to 2. Now 4 root 2 and root 3 raised to 2 here. So what we have to write? That is 4 into 3. That means this 2 and this square root sign get cancelled. So 4 into 3, this root 2. So 4 3s are 12. Yes, 4 3s are 12 root 2. That means we have to write 4 root 18 is equal to 12 root 2. Okay, we have to write this one. Now 12 root 2 and 7 root 2. So we have to compare these two surds. So what is the order for this one? Order is equal to 2 and radicand is equal to 2 itself. Now for this one, order is equal to 2 and radicand is equal to 2. So therefore, order and radicand of surds are same. So therefore, 4 root 18 and 7 root 2 are like surd. Therefore, this one is what? This one are the like surds. If the order and radicands are same, then we have to get the two surds are like surds. Now, next fourth one question. If you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. So, fourth one, that is 19 root 12, 19 root 12 and 6 root 3. 6 root 3. So for this one we have to factorize this 12. 19 root 12. So 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6 are. Then 2 3s are. Okay. Then 3 1s are. Okay. That means we have to write like this. 19 square root of 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now next 19 square root of 2 raised to 2 into 3. Okay. Then what we have to get here? 19, this square and square root get cancelled. Therefore it is 2 square root of 3. I am to write directly here. Okay. So 19 2s are 18 carry 1 3. 38. Okay. 19 2s are 38. Yes. Yes, 38. So 38 root 3. 38 root 3. So we have to write 19 root of 12 is equal to 38 root 3. Okay. So we have to take this one. 38 root 3 and 6 root 3. So for order and radicand we have to calculate it. So what is the order of this surd? That is what? 2. Radicand 3. Order of this one 2. Radicand 3. So therefore what we have to write? Order and radicand of surds are same. Therefore 19 root 12 and 6 root 3 are like surds because the order and radicands of the both surds are same. Okay. If you want to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now we have to solve the fifth number question. Okay. 5 root 22, 5 root 22 and 7 root 11. 7 root 33. Sorry. 7 root 33. Okay. So just observe here. When we have to multiply 2 into 11, we have to get the 22. 3 into 11, we have to get the 33. So what we have to write? 5 root 22 is written as 5 root 2 into 11. Okay? 2 into 11. So observe here, this 2 is also prime number and this 11 is also the prime number. Okay? So we cannot factorize furthermore. That means your value gets same here. Okay? So we does not factorize this one, so we have to put this value as it is. Similarly, for 7, 33, root 33. So this 33 is divisible by what? This this 33 is divisible, or it is written like this, 3 into 11. So just observe this 3 is also prime number and 11 is also the prime number. So we cannot factorize furthermore. So we have to write down like this, 5 root 33. Okay. That means when we solve this type of the question, what we have to do here? That is, we cannot factorize the number. Clear? So how to write this one? So what we have to do? For 5 root 11. What? 5 root 22 and 7 root 33. So tell me the order of this one. Order of this third is 2. And radical is what? Radical is 22. Now, order of this third is 2 and radical is 33. So just observe here. In this one, orders are same but radicals are different. Okay, so what we have to write here? Therefore, order are same but radical are different. Therefore, 5 root 22 and 7 root 33 are unlike such. Are what? Are the unlike such. Clear? Now, next question you have to solve, that is last question from your question number 3. Okay? That is last 6 number question. 5 root 5 and 75. Root 75. Root 75. So just observe this root 75 is factorizable. Okay? You have to find out the factors of 75. So write down 75. This number is divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5 fives are. Then 5 threes are. Then this 3 is 3 ones are 3. Okay? That means we have to write like this. 5 into 5 into 3. Okay? Therefore, 5 square into 3. So we have to write 5 root 3. Therefore, root 75 is equivalent to 5 root 3. Okay? So, instead of this one, we have to put here what? 5 root 3 and what? First value is here, that is 5 root 5. 5 root 5 and 5 root 3. Okay? So what is the order of this third? That is 2. Order of this third is 2. Radical is what? 5. Now, order of this third is 2 and radical is 3. Okay? So just observe here, order of these two thirds are same but radicals are different. So you have to write like this. Order are same but radicals are different. Therefore, what we have to write here? 5 root 5 and root 75 are unlike such. So in this way we have to complete the question number 3. Okay. Now we have to stop here. In next class we have to do the furthermore questions from your practice set 2.3. So I hope you have to understand from this video how to find out the given sets are like sets or not. Okay. So thank you students for watching this. I hope you have to understand this one. So please like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you.